Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to create a bundle. Now you don't need to go chasing looking for the exempt section anymore. You can literally just go online and do it, and when you've done one you can literally duplicate that. Let me show you what we do and how you can go and find products that, although they may not be profitable to ship on their own, when you bundle them together, suddenly that's a different story. Now, unless you put something very unique and proper in it, not a Christmas decoration for summer skincare, and believe me, we've seen it all, then these are going to be available for more than just you. And please do not put them as your brand if you do not own the IP to every product that is in it. But it's quicker, it's easier, and you can go and do it. And it's not the end of the world if a few people come in on your listing, as it gets seen more, which means more people want to buy it and you have more buyers anyway. So you're getting a bigger slice of a much bigger pie. And you probably don't then have to put ads against it to be found. Anyway, there's lots of different arguments for and against. Let's show you how. So firstly, you're going to go and you're going to add a new product. And of course, this product doesn't yet exist. So you need to be at catalogue and add product. Now, of course, you could do the search to see if somebody's bundled it in the same way as you have. But this is if you have truly put together a unique bundle. This is how you need to take it forward. So this section here says, I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. And that's where you're clicking. Now you used to have to go through the exempt section and go and find it. And it changed the top. Now that seems to do it on auto for you. So that's much easier. So firstly, I'm going to look for the correct category. Now I have a product in my hand and I'm just going to put denture case. Very glamorous. Also a really good niche. Anything in the health and personal care arena is definitely a good place to be. So here we have denture care and baths. So let's select that. Now obviously what I'm going to try and do is put together things that somebody who may need one of those will also need. So when they're looking for that, then they'll come across what else we have available for them. So we've got the section for title, product ID. These are going to zero out in 2 seconds. You'll see why. And we're not going to add a variation. And we're not going to put a brand name either, because I'm bundling products that have more than one brand. But what I am going to do is open all attributes first, because there's more than one thing that I need to add to this. So I'm going to need my vital information, my variations, my offer, compliance, images, description, all good things that people need to find this product. Obviously you can update it later, but right now let's think about what we're going to want for our title, for the variations that are together. So as you can see, I've put in a title that actually says what it is on the tin, basically. As much information as I can actually get into it. So we've got a denture bath, total denture care, denture cream cleansing pastes to freshen and clean dentures. So there's lots of different keywords in there that people may be looking for that particular product. So now is the good bit. I don't have a product ID. Now it's not forcing me to apply for an exemption. Now there's lots of times I've had to do that, but on this occasion it isn't making me do it. And I'm putting it doesn't have a brand name. Now as we go through this, there'll be different things I need to add. So one of them is going to be a picture and a description. So by going through all of the things that I need to add, there's going to be different information, things that it's going to ask me for, the same as it would when I add in a UPC or a product code at the top. So for whatever reason, we've got wigs and all sorts of interesting things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way through all of these, and I'm going to add in everything that I need for them. So now we're at the point where we need to add some pictures, and Amazon have some pretty strict guidelines on what they want. So just the product, no words, white background, minimum sizes, lots of different things. I use Canva to do this for me. I just pick the blank one and then I can do all sorts of stuff with it. Let me show you what that looks like. So here we have me starting with the pictures that we have of our products, but as you can see, I'm missing one for what I'm doing right now. So the easiest way is just to copy what we already have on here. That's really simple. Highlight it, and I'm on a PC, so Control and D will actually copy that for me. Now you can just use copy and paste, or if you're on a Mac, Command and D, I believe, is the same. Now there is one of my pictures. Now what I could do is actually do them all separately as well, and literally just by duplicating the page a couple of times, I can take out all of the other pieces. So we've got our top one with all three, then we have our second one, and if we just take out the other two elements, there's some nifty little tricks we can do with this. So let's just take it to the bottom corner and pick up this funky little edge here with the mouse and just take it as far as we can go. So that now gives me a full picture of just that product there. And let's then go to the third one and take out what we don't want. Now, this is a little bit more difficult because I've made it fit sideways. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick it up and see if I turn it, I can actually get any more on it. And actually, the truth is I really can't get much more, but I have turned it around sideways. I could turn it on an angle and make it bigger, but I'm going to live with what we've got here. So now I'm just going to share and download each individual picture for 1, 2 and 3, and then I can upload them as the pictures that I need. And this is exactly the right size. So I use this a lot and it's great for what I need to do, and it saves so much time. So let's just add some of our pictures into here. Now it's quite important you name your pictures what they are, because they get found in Google. So when people are looking for what you sell, if you've got the pictures for it named with what they're looking for, you're halfway there, because they might just come across your listing on eBay, Amazon, wherever it happens to be online, because you've named the picture. Now that's great traffic if you can get it. So this is the product description that I've put in, and frankly, it's not all that really, is it? It does say who, what, where, when, sort of, but you know what? You can do this so much better with a free piece of AI, that's artificial intelligence software. And I'm playing with ChatGPT right now. So by just copying my description in and then telling it what I want, so create an Amazon product hello, can't spell, description for, and see if it can do any better than me, and I'm pretty sure it can. Now, this is uber fast, but you do need to be the editor. And by letting it do the donkey work for you, which you can do, see it's doing exceptionally fast, you can then go into it and take out all the bits that are not quite what they should be. So I now have lots more words to feed Google with to be found. So I'm just going to copy that. And ChatGPT for the moment is completely free, and it's just done a far better job than that for me. Now, the more people see with all the benefits of what things do, and that's exactly what this has done, then the better. What I do need to do is check that what it's actually done is what it needs to be. and then we're good to go. We just save and finish. So hopefully you can now see just how simple it is. It will take about 10 minutes for this to start showing, and then the hard bit is either driving the traffic because they're brand new products people are not looking for, or leaving it to Amazon for people to find them, because what you've done is combined products that people are already looking for. Now, there's lots of different ways to do the former, and the latter is kind of leaving it to chance a little bit, and it's down to you how you run your business and what you do. But this is the way to bundle it and make products that may not have been suitable for shipping via Amazon by the time you've paid the fees and the postage to something that is. Personally, I suggest £15 to £25 is a very nice sweet spot for that kind of thing. Hopefully this has helped you. Take care.